Okay, so now we're going to add another note. So far we have the D, open D, E, F sharp, G, that's all on the D string. Now we had an open A, and now we're going to add our first finger on the A string, which is a B. So let's play this again. D, E, F sharp, G, A, and B. So now that we have that extra note, we can play a lot more songs. So let's start with our favorite, Twinkle, Twinkle. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's adding the B. Now, one thing that you want to remember, the reason why I keep all my fingers down when I'm playing D, E, F sharp, G is because then all I need to do is just slide my first finger over and I know where the B is, because the B is going to be exactly across the string from the E. So that's a good way to remember that, just to keep your hand in position and always just have that there so you always know where you are. Let's play this again with the bow. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you want to challenge yourself, you can play that same song, but you start on the G string, but it's the exact same fingering. So let's try that. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we can even do that one more string down, starting on the C string. What I do want you to notice is that because the C string is a lot thicker than the D and the A string, you may have to use a little bit more pressure than you might normally and a little less bow. So just be kind of think about what kind of sound you're making, okay? So let's play it on the C and G string. 1, 2, 3, 4.